Good morning. The very news that I am going to share with my friends and fellow citizens is that the women, Muslim women, can pray, means prayer, can prayer into the segregated spaces of mosques. Before that, the Muslims women were not allowed to go and pray into the mosque, as same as the Hindu tradition in the Sabrimala case. The women above the age of 14 were not allowed to go to the temple. So this is the very important issue, social issue, that the Supreme Court of India asked the All India Muslim Personal Law Board to you give me the your view. So the Muslim Personal Law Board has given his affidavit to the Supreme Court that the no prohibition in Islam. He is saying that no prohibition in Islam on women offering namaz in segregated spaces in the mosque. Why should the particularly women should be isolated from the praying for the God? This is my question. We have to challenge these ideas. Everybody is, and every people are equal. It could be there should be no gender bias. God does gender biasing. We have to accept it. Also, so we are living in a modern world where value, equality, everything must be, spread. So why should be women separated from praying to the God? They must have to go and pray. The Muslim Personal Board said that they can pray in a segregated place. Why should not they pray with the male, their counterparts? Why should not they? Women are equally important as men is. So why should not women be given equal opportunity to pray with the male, their counterparts? It is I think the gross violation of rights of women. The boards had submitted, the Muslim law board submitted to the Supreme Court through an affidavit in response to a petition filed by the Pune activist advocate Farha Anwar Hussain Sheikh. Farha Anwar Hussain Sheikh, actually the advocate of Pune activist, social activist he is, and he petitioned to the Supreme Court, Mr. Supreme Court, tell me, and asked the Muslim Personal Law Board, what should women do? So now the Personal Law Board admitted that women have the right to go and pray in the mosque. He is saying that segregated place, that is not good. And Mr. Sheikh, the advocate, had petitioned the court to clear any prohibition on the women's entry into the mosque as illegal. He is arguing that, Mr. Supreme Court, you have to declare any prohibition who is preventing the women to go into the mosque. They must be felt as illegal. He is arguing into the Supreme Court. Mr. Supreme Court, you have to declare this prohibition of women into the mosque is illegal and is a violation of gender justice laws. Because Article 16 said, Article 15 even said that there is no gender parity must go into the society. They must be stopped. So the women have the right to go and, the board addressed, however, the Personal Law Board addressed, however, free intermixing of genders in the common space is not in conformity with the position prescribed in Islam. I want to challenge this as a Hindu, as a Buddhist, because I love to Buddhism. I want to challenge this. While the board has consented to women entry into the mosque, implementation may not be so easy. He's saying that the implementation should not be so easy that the women and men both can come at the same time and same place to pray for the God. It is not implementable. He is questioning this. We must have to change our mindsets first. Women must have to be equal rights with all the women, not any sections. Most clerics remained opposed to the idea, and most mosques do not have even elementary provisions for women. So I don't know. I'm not clerics. I don't know the law, but the God door must be open to everyone. It could be animals. It could be anybody, because God has created everything on the earth. Whatever we have, if we accept that God exists, then God has created everybody. So why not? Why a particular male candidate can go into the mosque and do whatever exercise they does, but everybody must be, because of God has created everything. So it is, I would say that people or the things whatever is created by the God, they must have to, I don't know the right word, what should be, but everybody has the right to pray, to offer their instinct to God, because God has created everything. Thank you very much.